Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we want to solve the following problem. In trapezium ABCD, AD is parallel to BC. Given angle ABC equals 50 degrees, angle BCD equals x, AD equals 1, AB equals 1, and BC equals 2, the goal is to find x. And now for the solution. Draw DP to meet BC at P such that angle DPC equals 50 degrees. Since angle ABC equals angle DPC equals 50 degrees, DP is parallel to AB. We are given AD is parallel to BC, so AD is parallel to BP. Therefore, ABPD is a parallelogram. Since opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal, DP equals AB equals 1, and BP equals AD equals 1. So PC equals 2 minus 1, which equals 1. Next, consider triangle CDP. Since DP equals CP equals 1, triangle CDP is isosceles, so base angles are equal. Thus, angle CDP equals angle PCD equals x. By the angle sum property of a triangle, 50 degrees plus x equals 180 degrees. So 2x equals 130 degrees. Therefore, x equals 65 degrees, which is the answer. As an exercise, try to solve this problem and see if you can get the correct answer. This marks the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more content. Thanks for watching and see you all next time.